whooping cough is on the rise in the state, more than doubling this year compared to last year. Now, 4029's John Paul talked with state leaders to find out why it's so dangerous and why cases are on the rise and who should get the vaccine. It's news to get you healthy.
Runny nose, low fever, and cough. Symptoms that sound like the common cold, but if they linger, it could be something more serious.
An adult can have a persistent cough. The Chinese call it the 100 days cough. And maybe not really be aware that it's pertussis.
Cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, are climbing in Arkansas. According to the Centers for Disease Control, we're among 17 states where the number of cases have gone up. And in Arkansas, the number of cases have increased every year for the last 3 years. To give you an idea of just how many we're talking about, I want you to take a look at your screen. In 2011, there were 80 cases reported to Arkansas's Department of Health. In 2012, numbers tripled to 248 confirmed cases. For 2013, numbers nearly doubled to 458. Doctors say pertussis is very infectious, but that's not the only reason numbers are up.
By far, the issue is that there is an adult vaccine that most people don't know about, and it's something that is easy to get.
And while the vaccine offers protection, changes to the vaccine, which led to fewer side effects, also made it less effective, meaning you have to get the shot more often. I'm John Paul, 4029 News.
The number of whooping cough cases are also up in Oklahoma.